Hey, what's up? How are you guys doing today? I wanted to show you just something that's kind of small, but it costs almost as much as just a regular mod. So let me show you here. This first time opening the box. We got some packaging peanuts. Let me try to take care of these a little bit. So in actually opening the package, it looks like they sent me the wrong one, but it works on my behalf. I paid about $60 less to get just all of the lug nuts, standard 17, and they sent me some of these locking ones as well, which are almost like $15, almost $20 a piece. So it comes with the lock screw as well as just a 17, which would be nice to actually just have a socket dedicated. That way I can wrap it in tape and just have that as my very own. Now these are pretty cool. The reason why these are desired and I wanted to get them is because this bottom part actually swivels. So once it makes contact with the wheel, I'm able to just tighten it down and this stays put. So can't wait to get these on the wheel. Had an issue yesterday, so it's not gonna come in basically where I can get everything mounted until this coming Friday, which is gonna be 3 more days for me. It's gonna be a long wait, but looking forward to it. As always, happy driving and enjoy.